Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today I'm going to show you how to securely transfer your USDT from OKX to Binance. But first, a quick safety tip. Never share your seed phrase with anyone or enter it into any unofficial platforms. Now let's get started. First, if you've accidentally shared your seed phrase, your funds are at risk. So here's what you need to do immediately. Generate a new wallet on a secure platform like OKX, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask. Transfer your USDT to this new wallet. Don't forget to back up the new seed phrase and store it securely offline. Alright, let's move on to transferring USDT from OKX to Binance. Step 1. Log into your OKX account using the app or website. Navigate to your USDT balance under Assets and select Withdraw. Next, log into your Binance account. Go to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot and select USDT. Click on Deposit and choose the correct network, TRC20, ERC20 or BP20, based on your preference and the fees. Copy the deposit address. Go back to OKX and paste the Binance address into the withdrawal field. Make sure the network matches the one you chose on Binance. Double-check all the details and initiate the transfer. Now monitor the transaction status on OKX and wait for your funds to appear in your Binance account. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. A couple of important notes. Networks like TRC20 usually have lower fees than ERC20. Always double-check the address and network selection to avoid losing your funds. And enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on both OKX and Binance for added security. That's it! You've successfully transferred your USDT from OKX to Binance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe and happy trading.